Look at these bell peppers here. Okay. Time to harvest some of my bell peppers. Yes. Need to get a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna harvest a few of you guys. It look kind of big right now. That was nice. Look at those right there. Okay. I see some little ones going there. And some little ones here. Okay. Come on, bell pepper. Let me harvest a few of the bell peppers here today. Y'all look nice. Yes, you do. See if I can just pull you off here. Twist you off. Look at that. Okay, nice size. Nice size bell pepper. Yes. Okay, here go another one. This one is pretty big here. Look at you. I see you. Got you off there. Okay, got me two nice size ones. Okay, let's see if I can get this last one here. That'll look pretty big. Put these other two in the bowl. Okay. Okay, yes, nice size. Nice size bell pepper. Look like something that's eating on you. I think I'll go ahead and bring you in and cut around you. Okay. Rest of you guys, come on and get bigger for us. I'll come back and get you later. My zinnia flowers over here has taken over my asparagus bed. I see more zinnias than I do asparagus. I see a lot of the ferns up here. Okay. I harvest a few of my asparagus. It's time to pull out all of these dead cucumber vines and leaves, and I have time enough to sow me some more cucumbers before the fall, and hopefully I can get another round of cucumbers. Yeah, it's time to pull you guys out. I don't see any more growing here, but this was my best harvest this season, was the cucumber and my collard green. Let me get busy cleaning out this bed and sow me some more cucumbers in this area. Well, I found one cucumber still growing there, looking good. As I was pulling up all of these dead vines and leaves. Okay, I got one cucumber I can harvest. Okay, I found one more cucumber hiding here that I can harvest. Okay. It'll be my last one in this bed for now, until the last two. Get my next round of cucumbers sowed in this bed. Finish pulling all of these vines and leaves out of this cucumber bed. More to come. I found one more. He said, "Don't leave me." I got you. I got you. Okay, the last cucumber in this bed for now. Gotta sow some more seeds. Sowing some more cucumber seeds in this bed. They finished cleaning it out. I have my cucumber bed cleaned back out. Now I'm getting ready to sow some more seeds in this area. I'm gonna put my pickling cucumbers here. And this is called the bushy cucumbers. Almost look like the straight 8 ones that I had over here before. I'll put them over in this section. So let me get busy sowing these seeds and wait for the next round of cucumbers to grow. Okay, I have all the seeds sowed over here. 2 sides of different cucumbers. The bushy straight 8 kind and the pickling cucumbers on this side. Now I just have to wait and see them grow again. I need to come over in this bed here, which is my collard green bed, and pull out all of these weeds, but I see my collard greens are coming back. I see you. Come on, collard green. Grow back big and beautiful. And I'm gonna get over here and clean out this bed. Get all of these weeds from over here by you. But y'all looking good. Come on, get back bigger. A little harvest of asparagus, cucumbers, and bell peppers grown in Big Mama's garden.